Welcome you students for the third tutorial on the number system. Now we are going to move on to the vice versa conversion, decimal to hexa. How to convert a decimal value into a hexa. So 82 is the whole number. 82 divided by 16, 5 times, remainder is 2. Therefore the value is 52, you have written 0.25. Again in integer 0.25, it's multiplied by 16, you will get it as 4. Therefore write it as 4. So second example I have given here, 2824 divided by 16, 176, remainder 8, 11, 0. Therefore the value is 1108. But 11 there is no representation in hexadecimal, it is B. So B08. 11 you don't have it. After 10 you don't have it. It should be in alphabets. Therefore it is 11. Therefore immediately write it as B08. And similarly 0.725 multiplied by 16, 11.6. Again you take only the integer part, 0.6 into 16, 9.6. Again 6.6, 9.6. B, there is no representation in hexadecimal. You have to convert it as B99, B99. Okay. Now we are going to move on to the next part, hexa to binary. So far we are discussing only on decimal to octal, decimal to binary, decimal to hexa. Now we are going to go for intermediate conversions. How to convert a hexadecimal to binary? So it is nothing but made up of grouping of 4 bits. You are going to group as 4 bits configuration. Hexadecimal is 2D5. So 2 you are going to write it in terms of 8421 code. So this is the code we usually write a binary number. Okay, so any binary number is represented as a weighted code 8421. Okay, so 2, how do you write it? Only in number of 2 you put 1, all other bits are 0. That's why 0010. D is how much? D is, A is 10, B is 11, C is 12, D is 13. So 13 how do we represent here? 8 plus 4 plus 1, 13. So 8 is 1, 4 is 1, 2 is 0, 1 is 1. That's why I write it as 8 is 4, 4 is 1, 2 is 0, 1 is 1. 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 1, 13. Now next is 5. 5 how do we represent? 4 plus 1. So first bit is 0, 4 is 1, 2 is 0, 1 is 1. So 4 plus 1, 5. This is how we represent it. Now we can do the second example. 2, 4, 6, 5, 7, 8. So 2, only the 8 is 0, 4 is 0, 2 only is 1. Okay. Next to 4, only fourth value will have it. So 8 is 0, 4 is 1, 0, 0. Okay. Next is 6. 6 is 4 plus 2 combination. So first is 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. 5 is 4 plus 1. Okay. So 8 is 0, 2 is 0. 8 is 0, 2 is 0. 4 plus 1, 5. 7 is 4, 2, 1. 0, 1, 1, 1. A is what? Value is 10. 8 plus 2 is 1, 10. Remaining all 0. So 1, 0, 1, 0. This is how we do the conversion. Next is binary to hexa. In binary to hexa, this is binary number. You need to convert to hexa. So group it as a 4 value. So you are grouping this value into 4, 4. So here I am grouping 4. After 4 put 1 comma. After 4 put 1 comma. So what is this value? 4 is 1. 1 is 1. So 4 plus 1, 5. Next here if you come in, 8 is 1, 2 is 1, 1. 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 1, 11. 11 is B. Now here 1, 2, 3. 1 is not there, you assume it is 0. First digit is 0. So 8 is 0. 4, 2, 1. 4 plus 2 plus 1, 6 plus 1, 7. So I have done the conversion. Similarly you can see here 4 bit, 4 bit. So 0, 1, 1, 2 plus 1, 3. Here if you come in, 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 1, 13. 13 is, sorry, 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 1, 11. Therefore B. Here all ones, 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 2, 14, 14 plus 1, 15. F. Now we are going to go for next intermediate conversion, hexa to octal. So in binary you are going to group it as 4. In octal you are going to group it as 3 bits. Okay, so 4, 7, how do you write it? 4 is only fourth point will be 1, all others will be 0. Similarly, if you write for 7, it is 0, 1, 1, 1. Okay. And similarly, 5, 8, how do you write it? First write to binary, then only you can do the octal. You cannot directly do an octal from hexa to octal. So first I have written hexadecimal to binary. Then I am going to group it as 3, 3. So I group it here, I'll group it here. Okay. So 1, 1, 1. What is 1, 1, 1? 7. Next is 0, 0, 0. What is 0, 0, 0? All 3 bits are 0. Therefore 0. Next is 0, 1, 0. So last bit is 1. So it is 1. So always make sure when you want to convert hexa to octal, there is no direct conversion. You have to convert first hexa to binary, then binary to octal. That's why I introduced first the system, hexa to binary system. So now come here, 5A, 8. So first write down this hexadecimal to binary. So binary is 4-bit combination. Okay. So 5, how do we write it? 0, 1, 0, 1. 4 plus 1, 5. A is what? 10. 1, 0, 1, 0. 8 plus 2, 10. 8 is what? Only first bit will be 1. All others 0. This is binary. From here group into 2, 3, 3. So I have written, see, I have grouped it into 3. How I have grouped? See, 0, 0. This 1, 0, 1 is one combination. Next is 1, 0, 1, 1 is another combination. 0, 1, 0 is the next combination. Grouping in terms of 3 since it is an octal. Now you write down. What is this number? 2. This is 4 plus 2, 6. This is 4 plus 1, 5. This is 0. If you're going to go for the reverse conversion octal to hexa, octal is 32 to the base of 8. Again, you need to convert to binary first. So write down this 32 in terms of binary in 3 bits formation. So what is 3? 0, 1, 1. What is 2? 0, 1, 0. I'm written in terms of 3 bits. From 3 bits, you are going to go into 4-bit combination for hexa. So always make sure octal to binary is 3-bit conversion. Binary to hexa is 4-bit conversion. Therefore, now we are going to take it as, convert this one. 0, 1, 0, 1. So this 1 will go to the other side. See the conversion now. So remaining is only 0, 1 value. So 0, 1 I have written. I have added 2 more bits. So when you are adding the extra bits, always make sure it is a null bit. 0, 0. Now you do the conversion. What is this? 8 plus 2. 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 you cannot write in hexa. You have to write it as A. 0, 0, 1. So the last bit is 1. So it is 1. 1. So the conversion is a little bit complicated. You have to do first the binary, then the hexa. So we'll do one more problem. 3472.568. Convert this to binary. So write 3. How do you write 3? 0, 1, 1. Write 4. 1, 0, 0. 7, 1, 1, 1. 2, 0, 1, 0. 5, 1, 0, 1. 6, 1, 1, 0. All this you are writing it in terms of binary as 8421 code. From this 8421 code, now you combine this 3-bit to a 4-bit combination. Okay, combine this into a 4-bit combination. So start from here. Since it's in decimal, you are starting from here. Remember, if previous problem there is no integer part. So you directly take from LSB and do it. From here you have an integer part. So start from your first bit, MSB bit. 0, 1, 1. Take this 1 to this side. Similarly, the next is 0, 0. Remaining is 0, 0. Combine 4 bits. Therefore, 2 1s are combined. Remaining is 1 bit. Combine with the remaining 3. Okay. Now, point. Keep the point. Take 1, 0, 1. 1 from here. So 1, 0, 1, 1. The remaining is 1, 0. The last 2 bits are added. It is a null bit. Now you do the conversion. This is 7. This is 3. 1, 0. 8 plus 2, 10. A. This is 1, 0, 1, 1. 8 plus 2, 10 plus 1, 11. 11 is B. This is 1, 0, 0. This is 8. This is how we do the conversion. So now you can do not only the conversion directly from decimal to binary, decimal to hexa, decimal to octal. You can also have intermediate conversions. Hexa to octal can be converted. Hexa to binary can be converted. Similarly, octal to binary can be converted. Octal to hexa also can be converted. So anyhow, you can play with the number system between decimal, binary, octal and hexadecimal. All these are reversible, all these are interchangeable. Thank you.